I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group, reporting to you on the grain market. Let's start with soybeans. Soybeans unchanged today. They really traded flat and very low volatility today. 9-cent range is pretty small in comparison to where we've been trading for the last couple of weeks. There has been light demand. It definitely is holding soybeans into a flat, kind of like a sideways market right now. We definitely need more fundamental news to give the market a little bit more direction. Today was just one of those days that we're like right before a holiday and not much happening in the weather market, so the market is still holding. No one's really taking a stand one way or the other. Now, as we think about that, we're going to look at the planting progress. Soybeans and wheat are both pretty much on schedule from last year. Actually, the corn is even on schedule too, but the problem with the corn is that the rains that came in are forcing the farmers to replant their corn. So they're trying to get that and get caught up to getting all of the seed in the ground. But we know that that's going to definitely affect the yield at the end of summer and certainly at the harvest time. We're not really looking at that right now, but the market still is remaining a little bit strong. Let's look at corn and wheat right now. They're both in consolidation form. They both were slightly higher today. The feed grains are really gathering some strength right now. It certainly looks like that once they break out of the channel that they're in, that we're going to see the market really give it a go. Whether it's on the upside or the downside, we're not really sure yet. There's a lot of factors into the market. You know, both are still waiting for some news to give it some more direction. Will dictate which way it's going to go. The wheat, though, is vulnerable to the downside right now. There has been some short covering, and we are more towards the top of the range of where wheat has been. We know that there's big supplies. We know that there was some problems with some of the wheat, the winter wheat, and that we know that we're planting a lot less acres. That being said, that the supplies are really huge right now, and it's kind of difficult to see which way we're going to go. But you know what? We're not going to give up just quite yet, because there's still plenty of factors in the market that's going to keep the volatility rolling. That's all from the floor at the CME Group. I'm Virginia McGathey.